to wear face coverings while indoors. Thank you for your cooperation.
I don't know, hours. Like, it should not take this long at all. I've raced him myself and I lost, even against my own premonition. Like, I was like, that's not true. Hold on. Hey, Mia, how's it going?
Hey, Pat, I see our partygoers have arrived.
Yeah, they're just chilling. They didn't even know they were going to a party.
I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother won another car for his collection.
Score one.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
Leave me out of that.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room.
Told you.
Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
It's a big family.
And the faces you see on these walls
like my
are
photo.
family. When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again.
Well, I guess they took it down.
Welcome to our family.
Yeah, welcome to the family, guys. Hey, Tej, how you doing today? You're on the monitor with Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
I'm so jealous of you guys.
All right. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Mia, before you go, my photos missing.
All right, Pat. Let's get these people on their way.
Yeah.
Send them over to the war room.
All right, I can do that, but if you've got a moment of your time, I wanted to ask about my photo. All right, never mind then. I guess I'm getting replaced by all of you. No problem, though. In just a moment, well, there they are. Those doors are open. You're going to go see my friend Jamie. You're going to go say hi to them and give them a good old hard time. It's their first day without Tej. Ask them a silly question.
Hi. How you guys doing? Just that group over there. All right. Oh, you guys are going to Dom's after party? Yeah. All right. I didn't think that was until later. It's 11:30 in the or 10:30 in the morning. But that's cool. Are we excited? Yeah. All right, just this side of the room. So this is where Tej does all his tech magic and keeps an eye on Dom when he's here. He had to step out. He left me alone. Now he's calling me. That's great.
Jamie, the buses are here.
Awesome. I will send them on their way. They're excited. Dom is calling. I need to talk to him.
I got this, Jamie. Dom,
but it was
what
important.
Up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
Wait, what?
Man, they always ruining our fun.
On a Saturday.
It gets worse. They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Hopefully not these doors. That would be really bad.
That cockroach we beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Hopefully nothing.
Nothing yet.
Okay, good.
And let's keep it that way. Get those people on those buses.
I'm trying, but you're still talking.
You need to start bugging out right now.
I'm bugging.
And get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
All right, I'm on it, boss.
I'm on it.
He's on it. Why am I here?
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team.
You guys are not my team.
Spread the word.
Tell everybody.
But keep it in our family.
Just in this room.
And keep it quiet.
Forget it. Don't say anything. Oh, the hot one's on the line.
It's hot. Hi, my man. What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
No.
Yeah.
I mean, yes.
He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
I wasn't invited.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
But I thought they were family.
Okay, hold on.
I'm really
Let me get everybody
confused.
squared away, and we'll talk offline.
All right.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
But we've been on the phone this whole time.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man.
We all did.
It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Like my blood pressure?
Send everybody to the loading
Are you
dock.
sure it's safe? He's gone. All right. People are coming and going so quickly around here. So out the doors, have fun, enjoy the party. There's so much going on, I don't know what to say.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Have fun. Enjoy the party that I wasn't invited to.
I know, just saying.
One row at a time. Once again, please stand behind the black rows. Thank you.
Lass mich doll aus, das geht schon sogar.
Red!